Because I'm sure there's a line at the bank.
Yeah, I've heard to get their things found.
Yeah.
But I think if Rags does it in general, it ups everyone. So that's why we have.
Well, yeah, it research anyone that's on it is on it.
Because it's not like they're, redistributing the land that was divided up. It's still all technically one, so there they are anyway.
Or I just need to find someone I can leave my hat with.
Once we clear up room in this cart.
All hail the pineapple. A vote for the pineapple is a vote for the woman. Vote for the woman, a pineapple on every table. Oh, is there a line for the general store already?
Yes, everyone's trying to get the band.
Oh shit!
I got
Thank you, fam.
pineapple now.
A vote for the pineapple is a vote for the woman. All hail the pineapple.
All hail. That sounds delicious.
It is. Would you like a pineapple upside down cake?
They're actually outlawed around here. So.
Pineapples? Do you
upside down cake.
Oh, do you upside down? Oh, okay.
Front side up cakes only in this town.
Only upside down cakes?
No upside down cakes. Front side up cakes. Over there.
Did your neighbor steal a goat?
Already? I only have the one. Thank you. I want you to have it. Thank you. I feel like you guys deserve it.
Oh, I do have something for the sheriff.
But not the deputy. You're going to need it. I have
Can you hold
so I'd rather you
the Hassenpfeffers
Thank you.
and the old holy pineapple?
Little agreement we have.
Oh, yes, we have an agreement.
You're very agreeable. Very eligible.
Looks like you learned from
This is transport on Livestock 10.
Is it good or bad?
Yes.
all hail the pineapple.
Thank you.
A vote for the pineapple is a vote for the woman. Am I being? I think I'm being hexed. Oh, you're blessed in the pineapple? Oh, the pineapple has been blessed.
I thought it was blessed before. Or you're marked for death.
It was coated before.
I'm still out.
Oh, well,
Yeah, we're about to go there, and the line for that is kind of
yeah, I'm waiting for
ridiculous.
yeah, I'm waiting for
good on the
line.
line. The ones that.
Yeah, I have to. Is there a line for the bank?
What call Lance
No.
is your
Okay.
Lance Gooseman.
Yeah.
I gotta go put my name on the deed.
Yes, it's on your deed. You're on one of my deeds.
Yeah, I was on one of your deeds.
All you got to do is show them the deed.
Yeah,
And they
and
don't
they-
absorb the land, and that's
Yeah,
good.
they don't
Yeah.
give you new deeds. They just check off that
Yeah.
can't be sold.
Oh, okay, so we're all good.
So,
Yeah.
if we go see the bartender and take care of something with him, we might be able to get something from him.
You want help?
Yes.
It's a beautiful pineapple. What's its name?
What's its name? Upside down.
Upside down?
Yeah,
That's lovely.
because it can be an upside down pineapple.
Looks delicious. You mind if I just take a bite?
Wait, the line's going down for the general store. Oh, here, let me get the Hassenpfeffers back. We're right here. We might as well hit this real quick.
We won't be able to help out. Thanks for your time.
Well, hello, good sir. Well, I have some stuff you might be interested in. You know, you are a general store. And I have supplies that...
I see a lot of livestock. Unfortunately, that's not the things I'm looking for.
Well, there's more than just
I
the...
do believe.
There's more than just the livestock. If you look inside this lovely satchel right here.
Unfortunately.
Is this general store not like a produce general
No,
store?
we don't do it.
Oh, you don't do produce? Okay.
Fancy.
So he
Of
is
course, we
fancy.
unfortunately I need
Fancy.
to buy a new sign, but we are Cordy's Curious.
So we do have something. Came in with the pineapple from overseas.
Oh, what is
A complete set.
a fine set of silverware? I could offer 65.
We'll take it. Do we do the transaction outside or inside?
Come in.
Because, you know, there's people out there that are very, very... I'm going to set this on your table here for you. Where did I shove my... Oh, is it all the way in the bottom? I'll just shove it up in here. 5, 10, 20, 20, 20. I must share in the wealth with my help.
Of course. It is good that you offer wealth to your helpers.
Well, I mean, it's only the right thing to do. Don't want people coming back on me, and it was a pleasure doing business with you, sir.
We're probably going to be in there. Oh. You said we'll help.
There's a payment for you.
You said we'll help.
You don't have, by any chance, anything that if I was to shot that I could heal myself with?
No, unfortunately, we are completely out of that.
Completely out.
You might want to try that North store.
North store?
They
All right.
might have some more batches.
We'll have to check that out.
We have something to help you out with that for your shot.
Oh, okay.
How was it with
Well, I want to run into the downstairs bar and then go over and get land certified. The bar might buy some stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Is that Mr. Buddy Rhodes?
Is that Mr. Gooseman?
It is Mr. Gooseman.
Would you on this hole? You got rabbits now?
We have hares. We have
You got hairy hairs.
we have adult hares. We also have.
I done lost one of my hoes.
Oh no. What does it look like?
It probably fell off at home.
Oh, are you posting? Are you like posting up stuff with a stapler?
Yeah.
Ooh, you might be able to help me out with something since you have the stapler.
Yeah, if I need to staple stuff up, I have the equipment.
Would you like to staple these up around places?
I mean, my bag's kind of full as it is.
Well, they're flat.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know. Stop. I mean, I can help you real quick.
Yeah, let's Cool. That's dangerous right there.
You jump out of it? I don't even know where that BB came from. I think I know where this one is.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't think that's one that I sold you last year.
Oh, but I have two goats. I
You
got
do
a
have
brown
two
one and a
goats
black
now.
one.
Well, would you be interested in some chickens?
Oh, I remember the goats. I transported them. Madam already got chickens.
Well, does she have?
She's a chicken tender, if you will. Yeah, but they can make you some eggs. That's why I have premium on it right now. Oh, I know. That's why she got 8 of the damn things.
Well, does she have rabbits?
No, she ain't got no
We
bunnies.
we have
She
very
do, but not bunnies.
we have some very cute, adorable ones. If you'd be interested in them.
We might be interested. Oh, that's
Uh-oh.
Are you trying to hide the pineapple?
No, I'm just putting it down to grab the. Oh God.
The dirty Benjis.
So we have very nice. They're very succulent. They're very soft. They come in a pot, suitable for stewing.
Oh, you know the man. The madam ain't gonna want to cook these little critters.
Well, I mean, it's good for transporting them.
I mean, yeah, but you know, transporting nothing. Do they come as a set, or you can buy them individually?
I mean, if you want to buy them individually, if you'd like to buy them as a set.
What about the big little one?
Oh, they're all the livestock is for sale.
Okay. How much?
For all of them?
No, just like for one of them big fluffy ones.
One of them big fluffy ones? I don't know. What? I don't even know your name, and you're helping me. Biv?
Something like that.
So,
I don't remember what my parents called it. It's French.
So what do you think an adult rabbit would be going for?
Well, they make great milk, so.
Rabbit milk? I've never had rabbit milk.
Never have.
No, I've had utterly delicious milk.
Back in France.
Would you think 10? 10's a fair price on an adult rabbit?
10 to 15. If he's feeling generous.
Well, I mean, I have a little history with Mr. Rhodes here, so you know, I'm willing to make a deal with him. You know, 10 for an adult rabbit.
I think I can swing that.
This sounds like a fair carnivorous, and you get to pick which one of these fine animals is going to go home with you today.
Which one's the bitey?
The binary?
The bitier.
The bitier?
I want the bitey one.
I'm going to say is this one right here in the front.
This one?
That one, yeah.
We'll take this one. Yeah. You got $10.
Thank you, good sir.
I only had like 200. Oh, okay.
I told you, you're helping me, so I'm helping you. This is a very lucrative business. Let's see if we can peddle some of our wares with Mr. Sims. Cletus type person.
Is Cletus still the one that's doing it?
Yeah, he's down at the
I just
bottom.
want to make sure.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Pineapple train away.
It's not going anywhere.
It's going this way.
Oh.
I think the wagon.
Oh, wait a minute. There's no line at the bank. I'm going to stop at the bank real quick and certify. Oh, God, this is becoming problematic.
Dear God, what is that over?
It's the hares. They, you know, you ever heard the term breeding like battle bunnies?
Yeah.
They multiply. They're like gremlins. You get them wet.
Are you trying to sell those pelts?
I mean, if you'd like to buy these,
I don't
fine.
want nothing to do with that smell, but I'm telling you, the man across the street, he'll be happy.
Oh, no, I already talked to him. He didn't want those.
Does he want anything?
I don't know. He's a very finicky person. But
I do know there is a trading post up in the north that would be happy to buy those.
I need to find where I put that at, because who do I talk about my land with?
Either of us.
Either of you? Is that like a yes or a us?
The sign on the shop says bank.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I didn't see it.
Gotta figure out which side I put in. Oh, yes, here we go.
You guys got loans?
Do we give out loans?
I also might have a business proposition for you.
Nah, no loans. Sorry. There's no way I can check your credit. I mean, I got
sense, yeah. All right, got your credit.
You got both of them?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
true. Back to me all day. I should be on there.
So, I have this company,
Sure, what's the name?
and do I have to recertify the deed, the bonds?
All bonds.
Okay. So, I have this company, it's called Field Flavor, and I've created this lovely barbecue dry rub. And I was wondering if the bank would like to help in getting the company off the ground, be a backer.
I might invest in a sample.
And sir, you do have a sample right here. It's very flavorful. If you'd like, you can read the bottle.
Can I take a sample?
It's sealed. I mean, if you invest in the Field Flavor Company, help it get it off the ground.
Now, how much you want for what percentage?
1%? Ooh. Well, to get it off the ground, I'm probably going to need about 10 grand. A little too steep?
A lot is too steep right now.
A lot too steep?
Might be able to do.
You tell me what you might be able to help back with.
Probably offer you right now a $1,000 bond and $400.
I think I'll take that.
All right. Let's see what we got here. Start with.
Oh, you
Sure?
yeah, you guys get a sample.
Our perfect sample.
I'm putting this in the vault.
It is usable.
I don't doubt it.
So hand cash out like that in front
Howdy,
of
sir. How can I help you?
Get shot.
Sure, do you have the deed with you? We were signed on after the experience lost last year. We have our deed written down on one of the deed was the bank held on to that. Do we have old land deeds from last year?
We do not.
They go up for sale in about an hour and a half. Well, so we already have land up. We just said we were supposed to reclaim it once.
Did you read the bottle?
Right, but
It's got a catchy slogan. Well, sir.
We wouldn't have held any of the deeds. If you would have kept it, and then we would have marked it down.
We signed on to somebody else.
So whoever has it, if they're not here, you're kind of.
Yeah, we gave out whenever one person signed on. We tried to give each person one, but just come back and if you remember the plot number or anything like that, come back an hour and a half and we'll work something out with you.
Oh, wait a minute. I might have something else. It's the last little bit. You know, my pa. Wait. Oh. So.
I'm here to transfer land.
So. My pa's been missing, and he left in a secret place some samples
Alright, take your time.
with the maps to where they're located.
Okay.
So, I don't know, the bank might be able to employ some people to find gold. I have 3 of them with the locations of where the gold is at.
Yeah, we can try and make something happen for you.
And what would that be worth to you?
Lot 2. Yes. Just go ahead and mark her off because since they're divided, just mark her off and she's good there.
Thank you much.
There it is.
Howdy.
Hello, sir.
If it isn't my favorite mayor.
Oh, it's the woman.
Well, hello, sir. I have a decree here that I would like for landowners to come see me after if everybody hasn't already. But it says every third. We're a little late.
I'm sorry, ma'am, I don't know how to read.
Well, it says every third landowner needs to come see the mayor.
No, that's
Just
2.
send,
Oh, yeah,
as they come claim their land, just send them out. It doesn't really matter. It's just official.
It's just the decree.
Yeah, so just, as they come claim their
Mr.
land,
Woman.
have them come see.
See the mayor, alright?
Hello, sir.
Hello. Would you be interested in some Hassenpfeffer?
I definitely have some Marshal business that I might want to speak with you
Oh,
about.
yes, most definitely.
You come see me up at my office later.
I will, I have a couple more stops to make, and then I will directly catch a coach over to your office.
Sounds wonderful, sir. Look forward to doing business
That's a
with you.
coach right next door.
I mean, I'm getting old, and my legs are starting to go out on me.
I had to carry him twice
Yeah,
now.
so you send
Who?
people over to the mayor after we got something.
Not every man can afford a horse these days.
These are the woman's right block.
You have a map too?
Yeah, do you guys got any more of the maps with the cheat sheets on them?
We have one.
That is a mighty fine looking train.
Technology.
I do like.
We do have an extra one of those in our crate.
Our guys moved to watch the mayor's place when she's over here.
Do you want to
No, it's actually just.
Well, after here, we're going to go right over there to the saloon, take care of Mr. Slims. Slims, whatever his name is.
I'm sure that we will see you
Cletus,
later
I know Miss
today.
Cletus.
Miss Mayor. How you doing? Good job.
So, what would the bank, be willing to, for the maps with the samples?
I can give you a few $100 more.
I think that's pretty fair.
Unfortunately, most of our money is currently in circulation, but it's a little.
A little tight.
One of these.
Funds is a little tight.
How much?
That is very doable.
What are we doing for? He's asking how many people can put their name on the deed.
So this, it doesn't. You don't really need to put your own name on, as long as your group has the land claim. That's fine.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Because several of those, especially in the city, already have one person marking them down. But as long as they're shared, however you guys did it originally, that's fine. As long as it's marked, it's not going to be resold.
Okay, cool.
It was a pleasure working with you, and we are going to get that dry rub transported in here. so we can start trying to get it into the stores and selling it. So you guys might, your 1% might double, which means you guys are gonna make more money. So
That's how we like to work.
I'm always, you know, I'm trying to settle down. I've got one last order of business to deal with before I can retire.
Thank you for dealing with Silicon Valley Bank.
So, well, I don't have a feeling it's gonna implode. Hello, you're a fine dressed gentleman.
I am, yeah.
You are. Would you be interested in a hare?
Or two.
Why is that the most messed up looking rabbit I've ever seen?
It's been through a little bit. I mean, it is that season for rabbits.
How much are you selling them for?
We also got their
$10 a hare. We also have baby hares.
All right, I may be interested later on.
Okay. If you buy them as a set, they come with a very nice way of transporting them.
All right, well, I appreciate that.
Well, this is a present for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. What's your name?
You have the pineapple.
Vince. Thank you.
The pineapple?
Now,
The mighty pineapple?
All hail the pineapple.
All hail the pineapple? And what would you like to do with the pineapple?
I was just asking if
Oh, the pineapple's right here in a safe place.
that's a fern.
Let's go see Mr. Sims and see what else we can drop off.
Let me know with me. You can't take the horses inside.
Oh, yeah.
Smell like a pig pen.
I mean, I know that describes a lot of people. You might have some card games on them for camp.
I got a deck of cards for sale.
Well, I'm not buying it, but I am looking. No, we might have a card dealer set up in the side room later today. Okay. If you're interested in some high stakes games, we're planning to do one upstairs on the 3rd story.